is a computer company called Next Computer. All marketing in the company is done using a computer software. The software is used with the database to store data. The product table of that database is given below. So you can see they have given the product table here with 10 records. And the first question is, create a database named Next Computer to save the data in the product table. And now I'm going to create this database, and I'm using SQL for this question. Right click, create new database, and the name is Next Computer. Now you can see I have done my first question. The Next Computer database has created. I'm going to move to the next question. Create a table named Product in your database. Follow the instructions below to create a table. So they have given the ID, primary key, auto increment, and the brand, model, quantity, and price. So the data type is different and the length is also different. Now I'm going to create this table. Create new table. I'm going to name this table as product. And now I'm going to add the columns. For the ID, they have given the data type as integer, and this is the primary key of this table. And the brand is the data type is varcha, and the character length is 45. For the data type is varcha, and the character length is 45. For the quantity, they given the data type as integer, and price they given the data type as and I'm going to remove the ticks from here. When I remove the ticks, the user must enter values for these fields. Otherwise, I put the sticks here. So now I have created this table successfully, this product table, and now I'm going to enter the data for this. You can see the columns, and the third one is insert the data into the product table you created. Use the data in the product table above. So now I'm going to enter the data for this. And now I have entered the 10 records they have given successfully, and now I am going to the next question. Now I am going to write the query for the question, the fourth one. The owner of this store has identified the Lenovo brand as the least sold computer brand in his company. He has decided to remove the Lenovo brand from his store. Write the relevant query statement to remove the Lenovo brand. Now I'm going to write the query to remove the Lenovo brand. Delete from, and here you have to mention the name of the database, next computer dot, and from which table you want to delete the record. So in this database we have only one table, so I select the product and from there you want to delete. So here the Lenovo is brand, and brand equal Lenovo, and now I'm going to execute this. So you can see here affected rows 1, and now I'm going to see the table. The product table. The Lenovo is the fourth record of this table, so it has successfully deleted from this table. And I am going to the next question. The Asus brand ROG Zephyrus M15 laptop is no longer manufactured, so it has been decided to remove this laptop from the database. Write the required delete query statement. And now I'm going to write the query for the last question, and they want to delete the ROG Zephyrus M15 laptop. So delete from xcomputer.product. Still I haven't executed the query, and the second record is the ROG Zephyrus M15. So now I'm going to execute the query. You can see affected rows 1. So now I'm going to see, refresh this first. Then you can see here the ROG Zephyrus laptop has deleted from the table successfully.